Yeah.
Please, Nick.
Sure.
Nick Gibson.
Hi. Hi, guys.
He is the co-founder of Swiss AI Chatbot Factory, and yeah, he will make the first presentation.
Do I need a mic? Actually,
No, you don't. I mean, you don't need one.
the only thing, if you're making a recording or streaming, it might be useful. Do you need me to speak into the mic? Yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely. Good morning. My name is Nick. As you can see, I'm very happy to see you here today and to open this wonderful session. I'll try to do it a little bit entertaining for you, that you hopefully you had your coffee and you don't touch my coffee. I will need it afterwards. And we're going to speak about a topic which is the most interesting for me for the last 3 years. And since I stopped doing banking 3 years ago, and before that I was quite successful developing in this direction, then I said enough of finance, let's do something which is really impactful in the life. And I made a deep dive into technology, and for the last 3 years I'm doing nothing rather than developing AI-powered applications and applied AI tools. One of them I will show you today, and that's my coffee. No worries.
Murphy's Law.
Yeah, and sorry for the mess. One of the things which will happen today during the presentation, I would like to give a present to a person, and the present would be very close to what Guilfoyle is saying on this page. So you remember he created this autonomous AI system, which was called Anton. I don't know, does anybody remember this, Silicon Valley? Yeah. And this Anton, I think this is the best quote about Anton, yeah? So he grimly does his work and sit quietly. We should all take a little bit from his page. So, and I would like to give a present to you during this presentation. So does anybody want to get your own AI-powered, self-controlled robot after this presentation? So Danny, am I right?
Yeah.
So I'll come back to you, and actually this is cool because Danny definitely has a website. Do you? Yeah.
Yes.
So we will give it to you. So today I'm with my co-founder Robert, also our wonderful volunteer Alina, and yeah, let me start. So when we talk about Agentic AI, I think we're talking about a very important thing as productivity and the workforce. And there is a very big shift in paradigm right now. So, but I know that this is everybody's speaking about, but let me just remind you what is happening. So before the current times, when you had any task and you had to do anything, you would find a person or a person and a software to perform this task. And be it actually anything. So like to write a blog or to extract a call from the mine, you need a person, and the person needs to perform something. Right now, at this current time, we're living at the situation when you ask them to do something, most likely, sorry for that, they will go to AI tool and try to help them to speed up the process of execution of the task. But we are going to a more interesting area, actually autonomous AI system, which are making decisions and solving the problems themselves. And we, together with my co-founder, wanted to actually prove, is it right or wrong, that this is possible. And we took the area where we were quite experienced, where we had our core expertise. We took the area of chatbot creations. So right now, if anybody of you would like to create a chatbot, you would have to go at least via these 8 simple steps. So you needed first to identify why you need this chatbot. So what is the purpose of this? You need to retrieve the data. You need to make analysis of the data. You need to convert this data into readable format effectively, so well-known drugs. Then you need to find a proper LLM model. You need to find and create an LLM wrapper. You need to then create a user interface. Then you need to test, to correct all the errors, and then finally deploy. You can imagine how much time it takes, your guess. In the minimum, it will take you, if you're experienced in this, it's 2 weeks. Most likely it will bring you to 4 weeks, and this is quite a long period of time. We, together with my co-founder, played around this circle, around this workflow, and we started to automate several areas using AI. Then we started to automate cross-links among them, and then we actually automated the full process where AI agents speaking to each other inside the product and created this thing which I was showing on the previous slide, the fully autonomous AI-powered system. So this one, autonomous AI system which is making decision itself. And it decreased the chat bot creation from actually 4 weeks to 3 minutes. This is not a pitch presentation, but I think it would be interesting to see how it works. Yeah? Does anybody want to see it? Is it really plausible? I have 8 minutes, so I can use them. Robert, are we fine? Can you tell me the website, Danny?
Yes. Stani. D-A-N-I.
Can you come by? Maybe it would be easier. So, Danny, is this right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the website is, please. So, what you see here is the actual interface of the portal. So you plug in, you give your website, and oh no, I forgot something. Yeah. So, I'm sorry. I promised you to be entertaining. That's why. It's a factory. Yeah, factories creating. I'm very sorry. Factories creating chatbots. So that's why in a factory you need to wear a helmet. And also, I have this thing. So it takes some time. Yeah? So while the factory is creating the chatbot, of course, I have a plan B if this will not fly. So what's happening right now, and we are coming back to the same slide which I was showing you before. So our AI agents, they're going through all this circle. So they are retrieving the data, normalizing it, creating a database, and then creating the layer. No, it takes a little bit longer. We'll come back to Daniel. Daniel, thank you for your website. But let's do for the conference which we have, GenAI Zurich. And yeah, I need to use a mic. Yeah, please, could you give it to me? I hope, yeah, it still works. So you see, Danny, your website is progressing. Again, I didn't promise seconds, but at least minutes. So in this process, again, without human, there are no human in the loop. There are no human in the process creation. The chatbot is created only by AI agents. Let's pause it here. We'll come back to this slide. I don't want you to just idly wait for 3 minutes. And no, it's not the end. I still have a couple of minutes. But the second part which I wanted to tell, and this will be much shorter, is why actually it's not possible to create fully AI autonomous systems at the moment. And the problem is, everybody knows about this phenomena which is happening right now, vibe coding, when you think that you can actually give a task to AI with a simple words and it will create a program. We tested it ourselves. If you want, you can chat with these two chats. So this is fully vibe coding created thing, and it has a big problems. And when you start to create only with vibe coding, so you don't know coding, and you try to create AI only with AI, you have a lot of bottlenecks and problems with the security, with the scalability, with the user interface. So the experience which we have, and it's quite a big experience, so that you need to have a human who knows the architecture, technology, and the language in order to build even AI-powered solution. The second thing, so we can all say that, yeah, maybe AI can help us to create a product, but it's not possible right now to create a business with AI. And client acquisition, legal aspects, also working with competitors is a big question right now, which, frankly speaking, AI is not handling. And to finish, let's have a quick look at the situation when finally these problems and obstacles would be defeated and would change. And I think that two things will appear. The first one is AI-powered factories across all companies. So I do believe that in the companies in the nearest future, in 5 to 10 years, yeah, in a not far distant future. There will be own AI factory. So when you have a task inside your company, you will come to your own AI agent and would ask it to create your own AI agents. And this also brings us to an interesting situation that you might need to think also about having in the company not only HR function, but also AR function, AI agents resources. Yeah? So right now, humans are the most important in the companies, and going further, of course, it will be AI. So I'm finishing, and let me, no, you think? So, yeah, thank you. You're so smart. And the final thing, so yeah, the chatbot was created, and let's ask what you do with the mistakes. And you can see, actually, Danny, a little bit of ads for you, so SEO. And you can speak with this chat, you can plug it to your website, you can customize its behavior, it will speak any language, it will speak like Yoda or with emojis, whatever. So guys, thank you very much. I took a little bit longer, sorry for this, it was a pleasure.